everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to share with you a guided meditation which will help with trading. In this meditation that we're going to go through, we'll go through a body scan as well as some different breathing techniques and visualization techniques which will help you to harness your focus ready for trading, and especially if you suffer with any of that monkey chatter, any of that unnecessary thought or emotion that can sometimes arise when trading. This meditation will really help to become aware of those and help to release those as well, to provide a more clear mindset for trading. If that sounds good to you, then make sure you get yourselves comfortable in a place where you're not going to be disturbed, and we'll get into the meditation right after the intro. Gently closing the eyes and taking a few deep breaths into the nose and out through the nose. Beginning to feel the weight of your body slowly relax. As we take some time out today, continuing with the breathing, we're going to start this practice by beginning a body scan, starting at the head. Just bringing our awareness now to the top of the head. We're going to work our way down. Forehead, eyes, nose, ears. Recognizing any tension in these areas. And if we find any tension, just breathe in and release that tension, allowing yourself to relax. Continuing on the lips, the chin, the whole face, neck, shoulders, chest, upper arms. Breathe in deeply into these areas and relaxing your body. Elbows, lower arms, wrists, hands, fingers. Moving to the back, the upper back, the lower back, the entire back. Breathing into these areas. Stomach, lower abdomen, the buttocks, upper legs,
knees, lower legs, ankles, feet, and your toes. Take a deep breath, become aware of your entire body now. As you breathe out, allowing your body to just relax deeper and deeper. Allowing all your muscles to relax. Sinking into this sensation of calm, this relaxation. Take a few more breaths in this space. Now we're going to bring our awareness to our minds. We're going to carry out a visualization here. Visualizing or imagining the inside of your mind as a cave. We're going to go into that cave now. And see and feel the inside of this cave around you. And above we can see that the cave is full of fireflies. Each firefly represents a different thought, emotion, a worry, all darting around your mind. Just become aware of these fireflies of thoughts without going too deeply into what they are. Just become aware of their presence around you now. All the different lights darting around you. Start to see each firefly flying out of the cave, taking each thought with them. One by one, each firefly goes out of the cave, and as the cave becomes darker and darker, your mind becomes still. And you become more and more calm and relaxed. Take a deep breath in this quiet space. Taking a few moments now to enjoy this calm, quiet space, this peaceful cave of your mind. If any thoughts start to arise, simply see them as a firefly trying to enter your cave, but leaving your cave, leaving you in your calm space, your peaceful cave. Bringing your attention back to your breath and the calm peace of this moment. Take a few deep breaths. Start to notice any external sounds around you now. Any sounds from the room you're in or from outside. Notice the sound of your own breathing and the heaviness of your body, your weight pressed onto the chair, onto your bed or onto the ground. Feel the parts of your body that are pressed against the surface now as you are being supported, feeling the heaviness of your body. Take another deep breath and slowly bring your awareness back into the present moment, into the room, into your body. And as you do, start to wiggle your toes and your fingers, moving and feeling the sensation of your body. Feeling yourself becoming grounded into this moment. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes.
I hope that you enjoyed the meditation with me today. If you have, be sure to hit the like button below this video, and if you've got any feedback or any comments that you'd like to share, be sure to include those below as well. I always love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.